All right, so let's do this on our own, but I'll go. I'll help you guys. I'm going to ask you a bunch of questions. Is there anybody that wants to read this out loud?
Me.
Okay, you can do it. Read loud though.
How do you say the name?
Quentin.
Clinton is choosing between buying books at the bookstore or buying online versions of the book for his tablet. The cost $5 of ordering books online for X books and Y equals 6.95X plus 1.50. The cost of buying the books at the bookstore is shown in the table. Which method of buying books is more expensive? If Quentin wants to buy 6 books. Question mark.
All right, so let me reread it, okay, because I'm recording. Quentin is choosing between buying books at a bookstore or buying them online. So he has two choices. This equation is online. So let me write it down here. So the online cost is going to be Y is the cost. Remember, they say that Y is the cost. That's the cost. And then the equation is 6.5. What does X represent? The number of books. And then probably like plus $1.50 for shipping or something, right? Okay, so that's the cost. And then if you go to the bookstore, it looks like it's just $7.50 a book. All right. So we need to compare which is the better deal. He wants to buy 6 books. So one way I can think of that, if X represents the number of books, then we're going to let X equal 6. So I have an equation here. Let's figure out real quick how much it costs to buy the books online. So I'm going to say $6.95 times the number of books, which is 6, plus $1.50. That's easy to do. I'm just going to plug that in the equation, and I'm going to say 6.95 times 6 plus 1.50. $42.20. Was it 43?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you're right. So it would cost $43.20. Now, I want to show you something. As this increases by 1, this increases by what? $7.50. When this increases by 1, what does this increase by? $7.50. And that happens through the whole thing. Now, do you remember what type of linear equation that was? In other words, the ratio is always going to be 750 to 1 compared to the next ratio, which would be, well, 750 to 1. Let me back up. What is 15 divided by 2? 15 divided by 2 is actually equal to $7.50. What is 2250 divided by 3? $7.50. What do you think 30 divided by 4 is? So what does that tell you about this thing? That this is proportional, isn't it? It's proportional. Well, then if it's proportional, this is the slope, right? So the slope M is 750. If it's proportional, what do we know about proportional linear relationships? It's constant for sure, but where does it cross? What is the y-intercept? The origin. So B would equal what? 0. So that means the equation y equals mx plus b for this would be 750 times x plus 0, but we don't write the 0 down. So in order to find out how much it costs online, don't I have to say 750 times what? X. But we said x equals 6, right? Because you were talking about buying 6 books. So what is that on the calculator? 750 times 6 is in fact 40. Yeah, I got it. Wrong button. Times 6 is 45. So that means this cost for 6 books, or you could just write it over here. For 6 books, it'll cost $45. What's the better buy? Yeah. We'll type it over here. Online is cheaper. Okay.